Hey everybody, it's me, Miss Norris, and today we're going to do a quick drawing activity called Yes You Can Draw a Cat, because yes you can draw a cat, and today I'm going to show you how in some easy steps. All you're going to need is something to write on. Today I have a dry erase board and something to write with. Today I have my dry erase marker. So if you have your stuff ready, let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is right in the middle of your paper, you're going to draw a smallish circle. This is going to be your cat's head. So if you want a big-headed cat, draw a big circle. If you want a smaller-headed cat, draw a smaller circle. The next step is you're going to draw a bigger circle underneath. And again, I'm going to go over that one a little bit more so you can see it. You can draw your body as big or as small as you like. Some cats are real fat, some cats are not. So it's really up to you. The next step is right on the bottom of your bigger circle, you're going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. You see that? And at the bottom of these lines, you're going to draw 3 little bumps. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3. Those are your kitty claws. Let's do them again. 1, 2, 3. Now, we have the basic idea of a cat, but there's some things that we need to add to make this cat really a cat. The next thing that we're going to do is right at the top of our small circle is we're going to draw 2 triangles. That's kind of looking like a kitty now. Now when I like to make 2 more tinier triangles inside of there so that you can know that you're looking inside their kitty ears. Now, we're missing something very important. It's one of my favorite things. If you know what I'm talking about, you're with me so far. We're going to draw 2 circles and make some little eyeballs. We're getting closer. Underneath your eyeballs, you're going to draw an upside down triangle. Now if that seems tricky, turn your paper upside down and draw a regular triangle. It's that easy. Just so you can make your kitty nose. And you know me, I'm always going to make my kitty smile. One last thing on this face, a kitty needs whiskers. That's how they get through their worlds. They know how things are around them. And the last step is you're going to give your kitty just a little tail. It can be floofy, it can be skinny, just depends on how you want your kitty tail to look. And I'm going to give our kitty some stripes. And it's a lot easier than you think. I'm just going to make triangles down the side of his body. Triangles. Easy. You can color those in or leave them empty. That's really up to you. But now I have a fat striped cat and I am happy and so is my cat. If you have a happy cat too, hit that thumbs up button at the bottom of this page. And if you'd like to learn to draw more animals, please subscribe to this page so that you can get notifications when new drawing videos come up. I had fun and I hope you did too. See you next time. Bye.